going to deal about equations of motion. The first equation then will be v is equals to u plus at, and the second one is equals to ut plus half at square. The third equation will be v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So in equations of motion we have three equations, and those equations will be this, and we are going to derive these equations, how these equations are came. So we are going to derive the first equation, v equals to u plus at, and it gives the relation between velocity and time. Let's see how this equation derived. We know that acceleration is equals to change in velocity by time. Change in velocity by time. And we know that change in velocity means v minus u by t, that will be initial final velocity minus initial velocity by time. And from this, if this t goes to this side, it will become at is equals to v minus u, and v is equals to u plus at. By simply from the formula of acceleration, we are deriving the first equation and gives the relation between final velocity and time. Coming to the second equation, s equals to ut plus half at square. In order to derive this equation, it gives the relation between displacement and time. So how this equation can be derived? We are having one formula, velocity equals to displacement by time. So from this formula we can write displacement s is equals to velocity into time, and we also know that average velocity equals to v plus u by 2, and by having these two equations we can write, here we know that average velocity v plus u by 2, from this s is equals to v plus u by 2 into t. Here we are having v. From the first equation itself we are having v equals to u plus at. Substitute this v equals to u plus at here. S equals to u plus at plus u by 2 into t. And we are having two u's. It will be 2u plus at by 2 into t. By multiplying this t, you get 2u into t will be 2ut plus 8 into t, it becomes 80 square and 2. Now we are going to divide the 2 for each terms. So it becomes 2ut by 2 plus 80 square by 2. Now it will become 2 gets cancelled, ut plus 80 square by 2, and finally it can be written as ut plus half 80 square. This will be the displacement. So the second equation will be ut plus half 80 square, and it gives the relation between the displacement and the time. So how we got this equation? By taking the two formulas, that is velocity equals to displacement by time, and from this we are going to derive the displacement equals to velocity into time, and also average velocity equals to v plus u by 2. By having these two equations we derive the second equation, and having these two formulas only we are going to derive third equation, and the third equation will be v square minus u square equals to 2as. Here from equation 1, v equals to u plus at, we are rewriting this equation as t is equals to v minus u by a, and we know that displacement is equals to velocity into time. Here the average velocity we are having u plus v by 2, v plus u by 2 into v minus u by a. So if we look at here, the top terms will be v plus u and v minus u. It looks like a plus b and a minus b. In the mathematics it will it becomes a plus b into a minus b. Obviously it becomes a square minus b square. Similarly, these terms v plus u into v minus u, it is also becomes v square minus u square. V square minus u square by 2 into a, 2a equals to s. If we bring this 2a to this side, it will become 2as equals to v square minus u square. Now it can be simply written as cos b square minus u square equals to 2as, and this is the third equation.